Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we'll walk through the overall structure of the Balance Percentage Closer Expert Advisor, a safety-focused EA that helps manage risk by closing all trades when your account balance reaches a predefined percentage threshold. This EA was created using Code-FXdreema, a no-code EA builder. Let's break down how it works. Strategy objective. This expert advisor, called Balance Percentage Closer, is designed to help you manage risk by automatically closing all open trades when your account balance reaches a certain percentage, either above or below your starting value. It acts like an automatic kill switch to protect your capital or lock in profits. Use case. Let's say you want to secure profits when your balance grows by 5%, or cut losses when it drops by 5%. This EA can do that without you needing to watch the charts all the time. It's especially useful during volatile markets, news events, or when running multiple strategies at once. How it works. Overview of Code-FXdreema logic. The logic starts in the on-init event with 3 formula blocks. These calculate the gain and loss thresholds based on your account balance and input percentage. The first formula divides your percentage input by 100 to convert it into a decimal. The next 2 formulas use that value to compute. Percent to close gains, the upper threshold to lock profits. Percent to close losses, the lower threshold to cut losses. Once initialized, the on-tick event monitors these values in real time. It first checks if there are any open trades. Then 2 condition blocks compare the current balance to your gain and loss thresholds. If either condition is met, all open trades are closed. Finally, the EA terminates itself with a message. Program terminated itself. This means the EA won't keep running after it has done its job. A clean and resource-efficient solution. Testing and risk disclosure. Before using this EA on a live account, please remember, make sure you fully understand your trading strategy and risk management. Always backtest using high-quality data. We recommend 99.9% tick data. No EA is perfect, and results may vary depending on market conditions and broker execution. This tool is not a guarantee for profits. It's a risk control mechanism built with Code-FXdreema, no coding. Required, this EA was built entirely in Code-FXdreema, a visual no-code platform for building trading bots. You can tweak the logic, update formulas, or add filters, all without writing a single line of code. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS. You'll find playlists covering beginner to advanced EA building strategies using Code-FXdreema. Thanks for watching and trade safe.